We have a quick tip today on how to prepare the blue-colored submucosal injection solution. The submucosal cushion is essential for advanced endoscopic resections of any part of the luminal gastrointestinal tract. As you can see from the pictures, submucosal injection has particular importance to show some flat lesions, show the borders and the extent. And additionally, it provides a cushion of safety so that there is less chances of resection with perforation. And when doing other procedures such as POEM or tunneling procedures, having a nice visibility distinguishing the muscle layer and the submucosal aspects, as you can see here, is very important. We called this procedure interventional chromoendoscopy because we are applying dye to perform an intervention. In these cases, resection or dissection of lesions, as you can see here. So the definition of interventional chromoendoscopy is the injection of a substance containing a color mixture, usually blue, to improve the definition and resectability of any lesion. So the basic technical aspect of this technique is that it leads to a safer resection because, as you see, there is less chances of perforation by doing this. And also we improve the vertical and also the lateral margin or R2 resection. So what blues are there available? Well, there are a lot of blues that can be used: indigo carmine, methylene blue, and toluidine blue, as you can see in this picture. And the best substance actually for endoscopic resection is hyaluronic acid, but it's not available everywhere in the world. Now there are some pre-loaded syringes that already contain hyaluronic acid with blue color. But you can do it yourself, and this is how we do it ourselves in our practice. We use saline. We have been using saline for submucosal injection for more than 20 years with excellent results. And essentially, you just need to add a few drops. And now comes the most important part of the video. Look how easy it is. You just need to add the drops you need to get the color depth that you want. Here, we're ready to start doing a procedure. This syringe already contains saline and some admixed epinephrine in a concentration of 1 in 10,000 or 1 in 100,000, depends on where you are working in the GI tract. But please keep this video for your practice because this shows you how easy it is. Don't look at the concentrations written in many guidelines about 1% or 0.2 or etc., because all the blues, toluidine blue, methylene blue, and indigo carmine, come in different concentrations, and even the same concentration may not give you the same result at your practice because it's not always produced similarly. So what guides how you do this is your eye, and what we say is, let's look out at the window and look at the sky, and this is the color that we want for our solution when we're doing submucosal dissection, EMR, or resection or safety cushion. And lastly, this is the commercial product available with hyaluronic acid. It comes in syringes of 5 milliliters. The advantage of hyaluronic acid is that it remains longer in the submucosa. It's not absorbed that fast, and you can have elevations that last up to 45 minutes or even an hour when using it. But if you want to do it the cheaper way and an established way for over decades, we can use normal saline, and this is also quite effective, as you can see here. Have a great day. Bye-bye.